Hello friends, welcome you in my YouTube channel. I am Dr. Mohammad Sirajul Faisi. Today in this video, I am going to talk about properties of matter. Matter is anything that has mass and takes up space. What is mass? A measure of the amount of stuff or material the object contains. Don't confuse this with weight or measure of gravity. What is volume? Volume a measure of the space occupied by the object. State of matter. Solid. Matter that can not follow definite shape and has definite volume. Liquid. Definite volume but takes the shape of its container, means flows. Gas. A substance without definite volume or shape and can flow. Vapor. A substance that is currently a gas but normally is a liquid or solid at room temperature. Which is correct? Gas, water gas or water vapor. Plasma. Ionized gas that contains positive ions and electrons. Now drawing the states of matter. You can draw it solid, liquid, gas and take examples from the nature. States of matter. Solid, liquid, gas. Definite volumes. Yes in case of solid. Yes in case of liquid. No in case of gas. Definite shape. Yes in case of solid. No in case of liquid. No in case of gas. Results of temperature increase. A small expansion in case of solid. A small expansion in case of liquid. Large expansion in case of gas. Will it compress? No in case of solid. No in case of liquid. Yes in case of gas. So 6 phase changes: melting, solid to liquid; freezing, liquid to solid; evaporations, liquid to gas; condensations, gas to liquid; sublimation, solid to gas; depositions, gas to solid. And that what is important, deposition, gas to solid. Remember it. Describing matter. Properties used to describe matter can be classified as extensive, depends on the amount of matter in the substance. Mass, volume, calories are examples. Intensive depends on the type of matter, not the amount present. Hardness, boiling points are examples. Now, is density intensive or extensive? Just we have to check it. Density, the ratio of mass of an object to its volume. How much stuff, particle is packed or crowded into a certain amount of space. So density is equal to mass upon volume. So density of water is 1 gram per milliliter or 1 gram cubic centimeter. Now properties. Words that describe matter. Adjective. Physical properties. The properties that can be observed and measured without changing the material's compositions. Example: color, hardness, melting point, boiling point. Chemical properties. Properties that can only be observed by changing the composition of the materials. Examples: ability to burn, decompose, ferment, react with. Now chemical change. Chemical change will change the visible appearance without the changing the composition of the materials, right? Next, can be reversible or irreversible. Both are possible. Boils, melt, cut, bend, split, crack. Is boiled water still water? All six phase change are physical changes. Now, chemical change. Chemical change, a change where a new form of matter is made. Rust, burn, decompose, ferment. These are examples. Sign of chemical change. Gas productions, precipitate formations, energy productions, light, sound, change in temperature, change in color, change in chemical or physical property. Chemical versus physical change. Ask yourself, is anything new being made? Types of matter: elements, compounds, mixture. Heterogeneous, homogeneous. Pure substance. Pure substance can be either elements, compounds. Elements, simplest kind of matter which cannot be broken down any simpler and still have properties of that elements. All one kind of atom. Atoms, the smallest particles or unit of an element that has the properties of that elements. Compounds, substances that can be broken down only by chemical methods. When broken down, the pieces have completely different properties than the original compounds, right? Now, made up of two or more atoms chemically combined, not just physical blend. Mixture. Friends, mixtures are a physical blend of at least two substances have variable compositions. Every part gives its own properties. They can be either mixtures and again mixtures, either heterogeneous. The mixture is not uniform in compositions. For examples, chocolate, chips, cookies, gravel, soil. Homogeneous, same composition throughout, called solutions. Cool, add air, salt, water. Mixed molecules, by molecule that's too small to see the different parts. Can occurs between any state of matter: gas in gas, gas in gas, liquid in gas, gas in liquid, solid in liquid, solid in solid, otherwise it is. Most common solution consists of one or more substances dissolved. The dissolved stuff is called the solute in a liquid, called the solvent. Friends, if the solvent is water, we call it aqueous solution. A true solution will never separate or settle out on its own. Ways of differentiation. How to separate mixture. Differences in physical properties can be used to separate mixture. Filtration, separations, separate a solid from the liquid in a heterogeneous mixture by size. Distillations, separates a solution by boiling point. There are other ways as well: magnets, evaporations, chromatography. Law of conservation of mass. During any chemical reaction, the mass of the product, right side of arrow, is always equal to the mass of the reactant, left side of the arrow. All the mass can be accounted for. Burning of wood results in products that appear to have less mass as ashes. Where is the rest? So, friends, hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.